Hello YouTube. Can I cook a baked potato on a wood burning stove? I don't know. Let's find out. Use barbecue tongs and a heat-proof glove to ensure that you don't burn yourself. Using the tongs, place the potato in the hot ashes, not on the direct flame. Use tongs again to turn the potato after about 30 minutes for a medium potato or about 40 for a large. Once cooked, using the tongs and the glove, remove the potato and place on a plate. Allow to cool for 3 or 4 minutes and then remove the foil. Turned out much better than I expected. The skin was super crispy and the insides was light and fluffy. I served it with lashings of butter and it was absolutely delicious.